Hello guys, my name is Muffin, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a fully automated working CV1 clock in vanilla. Now, before creating anything, we're going to need to get out our maker pen. Now, the easiest way to do this is to go to Backpack, Tools, and then click Use. Faster way to do this from now on is you click Favorite, and then you can pull it from your back. Anyways, to make this, we're going to need a couple things. First, you're going to open your palette and go to Gadgets. First, we need our compare chip. Then we need our timer chip. We need a toggle button. And then we need, obviously, the sign. There we go. Okay. I'm going to cut just really quickly and just make my circuits look a bit cleaner, and then we can get onto the tutorial. Alright, now that I've got my circuits a bit more organized, and hopefully you do too, let's get on to the wiring. So go to your maker pen, click wire, then we're going to go over to the compare chip. Hold left side and bring it over to current toggle value. Next, we're going to go on off on the timer chip and put that also to current toggle value. Next, what we're going to do, we're going to go to the sign, click the red thing, and take this all the way to time remaining. Now, we're going to click configure, click on the little circle, and we're going to put in our time. For some reason, you have to add an extra 0 or digit space. For example, if I do 60 seconds, for some reason it'll come out at 6 seconds. So for 60 seconds, as an example, we're going to do 600. Now, we're almost done. We're going to also configure the sign, go to message number 0, remove the default rec room, click shift, put this in, and then click OK. Now it'll show the actual value of the time. You see 600 equals 60 seconds. And now, for the most part, we have done it. We click onto this. Now we have a working clock. And now this can be used for game shows or really anything that you want. And if you want to make it so after turning this off, it resets, all you have to do is click wire, go from when button is toggled off to reset on the timer chip. Now, it'll reset. And for anyone wondering, the maximum amount of time is 1 hour. You see, I can put in just a stupidly crazy number like that, and it'll always output to the max of 1 hour. Anyways, that's going to be it. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.